This is my 2022 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It's a 170-inch wheelbase dually, and I have a storage problem. Let me explain. You see, my van is empty. There's no place to put anything. I don't have any designated storage cabinets or this or that, like a lot of these van builds do, because I haven't gotten to that point yet. So what do I do in the interim? How do I deal with storage things, right? Well, it seems my friends at Vertx have a solution for that, and it's right in here. These are their new stackable storage cubes. Now, Vertx is primarily known for bags, right? Like, that's one of their things. They do clothing, they do bags, and they do it very well in the tactical community. However, they are branching out into the overlanding space, and they've come up with this. That one's not filled, that's why it's kind of wonky, but this is really interesting. Let's dive into it. And actually, before we get too far into this, I want to share with you guys, I actually have a discount code for these things. So if you do end up wanting these after I talk about them, watch to the end of the video and I will make sure to mention my promo code, which gets you at least 15% off. The holidays are coming up, so it will probably go up. That discount code will probably go up in percentage, but I will tell you about it at the end. Check it out. Okay, so let's talk about why these bags are cool, right? It's a very, very simple product. So I'm gonna start with the small size bag, and this is sold as a bundle. As I have it here, this is the extra small, small, medium, and large bag. They do one that's bigger than this. You can buy them by themselves, you can get a bundle, whatever. Really, this is just about showing you what these are all about. So there's these tabs on the top, and I'll get to those in a second. Let's look at the inside first. Okay, so we zip that around. It's got some Velcro-like material. They don't call it, it's not actual Velcro, it's their product. So inside is pretty basic, got a hard bottom. You can see it's got a hard bottom there. That's pretty slick, right? It's pretty simple. You can put a lot of stuff in there. For context, there's my meat paw. It's about as long as my hand is. I don't know, you can see the dimensions on the website. So, the outside is pretty cool. You've got a spot where you can write on here, whatever that is. You could write what you want to put inside, you know, like toiletries or med kit or whatever. Then you've got these straps that go the whole way around, and this is part of what makes them super durable. So it's got good handles, and then it's got fabric that goes all the way down and around to the other side, so you can carry it well. It supports the weight of whatever's in there. You can put some really heavy stuff in there, and it's got sort of webbing on here so you can hook into this. And that's actually what I do on this. I loop a bungee cord around the top of this lower bag when I have tools in it, and it holds everything nice and tight. So I'll zip it up and I'll show you why these tabs on the top matter. You have these spots where you can lock in, right? Well, that's exactly what this is for on the bottom. So you lock this into the top. I'll show you what this is, the small bag. So you slide one side in, and then it's flexible. It will lock into the other side, and then you've got two bags locked together. That is super cool. That is what's really interesting to me. Obviously, this top one doesn't have anything in it, so it's a little wonk, but still very cool. And you can do the same with these larger bags. It's got the tabs here, and this bottom one actually has a lot. So to give you some size reference, I'll open up the bottom bag, the extra small size. I've just got a headlamp in there and a cheapo O-light. This stream light, you guys need to have a headlamp like this. This is a very, very nice stream light. But again, the Velcro type material, the hard bottom, and the nice handle. And let's be fair, this, as I have it right now, not the best setup. However, it's very interesting as a system. So again, this is just a larger version of the bag. The spot to write your whatever your label on. It's got the tabs on the top, so you can in theory put a bag here, tie it all in, or one across, you know, like double this up and put one across because it has the locking tabs on the bottom. And I'll show you what I have in here, guys. Two med kits. I've got my trauma kit, and I've got a big boo-boo kit. This is actually an overlanding boo-boo kit, whatever. It's more first aid versus trauma. If you don't know about medical, you need to get up to date on medical, but I just threw those in there. It does come with a divider in there because the interior on this one has that Velcro material that's on the top around the sides, or rather just on the front and rear. So on the label side. As my needs expand with the van, so too shall my storage, but this is a great place. Imagine if you had a truck and you didn't want crap bouncing around. You wanted your bags locked together in the cab or in the bed or something. Man, this would be so nice. All right, we're gonna open the big one. Again, with that panel, and Vertx makes a whole bunch of stuff that you can put on to these panels. So you're not like locked into whatever open space that you want to just manipulate. You can put stuff up here, and that allows you a lot of flexibility. So I've got tools on tools on tools, right? This is just a big open bag, and I'll show you the bottom. Let's get that crap out of the way. So the bottom is those tabs, locking tabs all the way around, and it's just a nice big bag. You know what, before I tell you guys the promo code, because I know this is gonna be a very simple video, this is a very simple product. Before I tell you the promo code, I wanna show you how they lock together, and then trust me, I'll get to it. Okay, so here's that large bag I was showing you guys, and here's the medium. We're gonna lock them together in this orientation, because that is gonna make the most sense. See that tab right there? Let me try and do this one-handed. So this is gonna lock under here, and the other side is gonna lock under this side. So let's go ahead and shove that in there. I wanna make sure you guys can see that it's just going up under there. And then around this side, this is a flexible thing, so you can do this, and it's just locked in. Now, I don't know that I would pick up this weight of tools, because as you can see, it is starting to come out of there. When you're picking up a whole toolkit and a bunch of other stuff, but the idea is less about being able to carry all of it from the top bag and more about locking them together so that while you're going down the road, it's locked on. So I suppose you want to get that promo code for these bags, storage cubes, stackable bins, whatever you want to call them. Well, what you got to do is go to vertx.com and just use the code TGC, and you'll get that percentage off. It's usually 15%. It does go up during the holidays, and we get a kickback when you use that code. That is a massive help for us, so I would really genuinely appreciate it if you used it. That'd be rad. For now, that's the basics on these. We're going to keep using them. I'm going to keep showing them off here on the channel as I need to, as it makes sense, but be sure to go to vertx.com and use code TGC. Get yourself a discount. As always, guys, that is it for now. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you soon.